Wyoming will become the first state to issue its own stablecoin in July 2025. WYST will be used for everyday payments and the funding of public services through the interest or yield it generates. It will run on 7 blockchains with seamless cross-chain transfers, thanks to the state partnership with Layer 0. But here is the catch. It comes with a freeze and seize feature, allowing the government to lock or take your tokens by court order. Would you trust a state-backed stablecoin? Subscribe for more crypto news. Robinhood has just launched tokenized stocks on Arbitrum, covering over 200 stocks and ETFs. Giants like Apple and Tesla can now be traded on the blockchain with zero brokerage fees, only blockchain gas fees. These stocks can be traded 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, way beyond normal market hours. Robinhood also plans to launch their own Layer 2 network on top of Ethereum for more tokenized assets. Crypto is redefining finance. Like and subscribe for more crypto updates. Rex Osprey's Solana staking ETF is now live. Trading under the ticker SSK, it is the first ever crypto staking ETF, meaning it gives you exposure to the spot market while earning staking rewards. Interest around 7% annual percentage yield. Regulators are becoming more crypto-friendly. Will institutional investors pump altcoins? Subscribe for more crypto news. Tether and Bitfinex plan to launch their own Ethereum-compatible blockchain called Stable. It will be designed to address inefficiencies of current blockchains such as high fees and complex user experiences. USDT will be used as the native gas or transaction fee token, eliminating the need for other tokens in the process. And it gets better. USDT 0, the new cross-chain version of Tether, will have free stablecoin transfers on the network. The world's biggest stablecoin may be getting even bigger. Like and subscribe. Jack Dorsey, the co-founder of Twitter, just launched a new messaging app called BitChat. This isn't just any messaging app. It's decentralized, encrypted, and based on local networks like Bluetooth. And most importantly, it facilitates offline Bitcoin transfers through mesh networking, so the transaction hops from device to device until one connected to the internet broadcasts it to the blockchain. Private networks with no central server. Is this the future of payments and messaging? Like and subscribe for more Bitcoin news. Pump.fund just had one of the biggest initial coin offerings in crypto history. The meme launchpad that allows anyone to instantly create their own meme-based crypto on Solana launched their own token. They raised over $500 million in just 12 minutes as tokens sold out. 33% of all tokens went to the initial coin offering, with the rest split between institutional investors, the Pump.fund team, and community projects. The main project? Brand new decentralized social media platform aiming to rival TikTok and Facebook. Opinions on the token are mixed. Will projects like these truly create value? Please like and subscribe. Hyperliquid has partnered with Phantom Wallet to bring perpetual futures trading straight to your wallet. Phantom is non-custodial, meaning you have complete control and ownership of your digital assets and private keys. Now you can trade over 100 markets with up to 40x leverage on the DeFi Wallet app. No centralized exchanges needed. Trading tools like stop losses, take profits are all integrated. DeFi is continuing to grow. Will Hyperliquid become a top 10 crypto in market cap? Subscribe for more crypto updates. A new Bitcoin upgrade called CVT or BIP 119 could be agreed upon by the end of 2025. It would be the first upgrade since 2021. Here are the ways it would boost the network. Increase the scalability of the network. Layer 2 networks can batch thousands of payments together off-chain and settle them with just one Bitcoin transaction, saving fees plus increasing the size and speed of the network. Developing smart contracts. Trustless bridges to new applications and other blockchains become possible as they would work in very specific, pre-programmed ways, eliminating middlemen in the process. New use cases for Bitcoin such as bridging for stablecoins, lending and payments would come into effect. Would this upgrade make Bitcoin even more dominant? Please like and subscribe. BlackRock just filed with the SEC to add staking to its Ethereum ETF. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, wants to let investors earn interest on Ethereum by adding staking to its ETF. Investors could soon earn passive income from Ethereum just by buying the ETF on the Nasdaq. The deal is seen as already done, as the SEC has only rejected 1 out of 576 filings made by BlackRock. Ethereum is increasingly becoming an institutional-grade asset. Subscribe for more crypto updates. Block Earner has launched Australia's first ever Bitcoin-backed home loan. After a 2-year legal battle, the federal court ruled in their favour. Bitcoin can now be put up as collateral to borrow up to 50% of a property's value. The rest comes from a standard mortgage. When the loan is repaid, you regain full control of your BTC. Bitcoin is becoming legitimately creditworthy. Is digital gold now becoming the path to real estate ownership? Like and subscribe for more Bitcoin news. The CEO of Charles Schwab has announced they will launch Bitcoin and Ethereum spot trading. With over $10.8 trillion in assets under management, Schwab is in the top 5 asset managers in the world. Their clients already own over 20% of the entire crypto ETF market, with some Schwab clients reportedly keeping 98% of their wealth with the firm. Now they plan to expand further into crypto, setting their sights on directly competing with Coinbase. If the biggest names trust crypto, you might want to follow the smart money. Please like and follow for more crypto content.